Uruan ka. Gari awa hai ne?
10 people were reported killed while many others were displaced due to flooding in parts of the Garay local government area, Adamawa State, on the week of August 21, 2022. The Executive Secretary, Adamawa State Emergency Management Agency (ADSEMA), Dr. Suleiman Mohammed, said that 10 people were killed, while others were displaced in the town of Jabilamba and its surroundings, following heavy rains since Thursday that hit several states. Meanwhile, 3 children have been hospitalized following the collapse of a building due to heavy rains that lasted several hours in the state. It has deployed its assessment team to the affected areas.